let's go over to Michael. He's a senior with a dual major in accounting and emergency preparedness, homeland security, and cybersecurity. Coming to UAlbany was a short trek from Michael. His hometown is also in the Capital District, just outside of Albany. But his story shows you don't always have to travel far to find everything you're looking for. Fill us in on your journey, Michael. Take it away.
Thank you for that introduction, Alex. And hello, everyone. There are certainly a lot of college choices out there. I've looked at many of them all throughout the country, and I found that the best choice for me was right here in my own backyard. UAlbany exceeded my expectations, offering everything I was looking for and more. So much so that I ended up pursuing a degree in accounting and in emergency preparedness, homeland security, and cybersecurity. No matter which path I chose, I always knew I wanted to pursue a career where I could make a difference. The College of Emergency Preparedness, Homeland Security, and Cybersecurity, or CEHC for short, was designed to bring together the people, technology, and knowledge to address the challenges of the 21st century global community. In fact, CEHC is the first college of its kind in the nation. Here, students can gain hands-on experience in a facility that is packed with cutting-edge resources. One of my favorites is the Makerspace. Students can use advanced tools like 3D printers, laser cutters, and computer numerical control machines. There are many other high-tech spaces here as well, like the Cyber Cascade Risk Lab, AI and Complex Systems Lab, and Open Source Intelligence Lab. Through UAlbany's AI Plus initiative, every student gets a chance to learn how AI is radically changing the world we live in. And CEHC also offers plenty of opportunities to gain experiential learning. So far, I have been able to participate in the FBI Collegiate Academy, intern with the DEA, and work undercover with TSA. After graduation, I have already lined up an opportunity to join EY in New York City, where I will use the skills I learned through my time here at UAlbany. That's all for me. Alex, back to you.
Thank you, Michael. We love that you were able to get so much hands-on experience through the programs and facilities at UAlbany. Your next steps sound amazing, blending your unique experiences and interests into a career that's perfect for you. Best of luck, Michael.